Hello everyone! In today's video, I will show you how to allow unknown sources on your iPhone. To start, unlock your iPhone and open the Shortcuts app. If you don't see it on your home screen, you can find it by swiping down and using the search bar. Once the Shortcuts app is open, tap the plus icon located in the top right corner of the screen. This will let you create a new shortcut. Now, tap on the button labeled Add Action. Below the search bar, you will see the action Web selected and select the option that says Filter Articles from the list of suggestions. Once you've selected it, you will need to name your shortcut. Choose a name that makes it easy to identify later, such as ABC. After naming the shortcut, tap Done in the top right corner. With your new shortcut created, you should now see it listed in the Shortcuts app. Tap on the shortcut to activate it. You will notice a check mark appear, which means the shortcut is now active. Next, go to the Settings, then click on App on your iPhone. Scroll down until you see the Shortcuts option and tap on it. Inside the shortcut settings, look for an option called Private Sharing or Allow Unknown Sources. This option may vary depending on your iOS version. Tap on it and enable it by toggling the switch. Once this is done, your iPhone will allow the installation of shortcuts or apps from unknown sources. This is particularly useful if you need to install apps or tools outside of the App Store in a secure way. That's it. That's how you can solve the problem of allowing unknown sources on your iPhone. Thank you for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.